Want to grow your auto parts business? Stop waiting for few number of customers to walk in. Start reaching thousands of buyers across India every single day. Welcome to Automart. Automart is India's dedicated e-commerce platform for automobile products, designed to help sellers expand their business across both B2C and B2B markets. Whether you're dealing in spare parts, accessories, tools and equipments, Automart offers a transparent, commission-free platform built for growth. Why sell on Automart? Zero commission, zero registration fees. Keep your full profit. Automart charges no commission, no registration fees, and offers full payment remittance within a week. Unlimited product listings. List as many products as you want, absolutely free. No return charges applied. Returns can eat into profits. That's why Automart ensures zero return shipping charges for sellers, keeping your margins intact. Nationwide customer reach. Serve customers across India, from Tier 1 cities to remote areas, with our integrated logistics network. No hidden charges. What you see is what you get. No deductions, no platform fees, and no tricks. Trusted courier partners. Fast and reliable delivery via e-cart, delivery, Express Bees, and India Post. Designed for all types of sellers. Whether you're a trader, manufacturer, importer, or wholesaler, Automart gives you the platform to go digital without any technical barriers. No need to find prime location or costly space for your business. Sell your product from any place. Double profit scheme as follows. B2C, Pan-India customer reach. Reach lakhs of online buyers searching for automobile products. From two-wheelers to heavy commercial vehicles across Tier 1, 2 and 3 cities. B2B, bulk orders and business buyers. Get direct bulk inquiries and orders from garages and workshops, mechanics and resellers, transporters and fleet operators. B2B wholesalers. Dedicated seller support. From listing to logistics, Automart provides complete onboarding and growth support to every seller. Start selling today. No middlemen, no commission, no delay in payments. Join Automart and grow your business the smarter way. Visit www.auto-mart.co.in. Automart is open for spare parts, accessories, tools, and equipment providers for all kinds of automobiles. Two-wheelers, four-wheelers, commercial and agricultural. For an unstoppable and growing market. Expand your reach and get entered into a profitable market with the endless possibilities. Getting started is simple. Step 1. Register for free. Step 2. Upload your products. Step 3. Receive orders. Step 4. Dispatch quickly. Step 5. Get paid on time, every time. It's time to sell smarter. Time to go beyond your local shop. Time to grow. Start selling on Automart today. Access both individual buyers and bulk business orders across India. A platform designed to maximize your reach and profit without risk. Automart means trusted choice. Why wait now? Start selling smarter with Automart today. Ready to get started? Click the registration button below now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Share this with fellow sellers who could benefit.